And this is how you guys can build a very cheap and easy shelf for your AV equipment. The part you guys need is just 2 U-shelves, two of those brackets, some screws, and plywood. Boom. So first step would be pre-drill your hole and hit the stud. The goal is attach that plywood to the drywall and bigger size. And then you mount your piece of plywood like that. Tie them to the stud so they can't go anywhere. Next step would be screwing that shelf to that plywood. And that's how it turned out. The trick is to be flush with that plywood and the shelf so you can use that support on them.